Welcome, new traders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Franz Trade Stocks, the owner of this YouTube. If you go through my past recent videos, you'll see what I'm structured about. I'm structured about helping you guys find out new ways to make your trading even better. So as you can see, I'm going to be giving you guys a video today about how to structure your scanner. So basically how to make it work for your criteria, what you want to see, what you want to do, right? So usually I have this, my scale is structured around this thing called the strat. The strat is basically strategy. So it was made trader named Rob, and it basically shows you what criteria to look for. So that's what I put into my scanner. So let's go over today. Let's go to, if you guys don't know how to get over here, it's actually right here. If you guys are using Thinkorswim, or if you're using another trading platform, it actually works with other trading platforms as well. So based on how you can do it. So let's go over here. So you see the charts. Let's go to scan. So right here. So if you guys have anything right here, you just exit out, right? You exit out everything right here till it says click plus sign to add a filter. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add a filter. We're gonna add a study. Now we're gonna do high, so we're gonna do high from 1 bar ago. What this is basically looking for is anything that takes out yesterday's high, right? So as we can do, we're gonna scan. We're gonna see a bunch of stocks that come up, right? So boom, we have our criteria. This is what we're looking for. This is what we look for. So basically anything taken out before yesterday's high is usually going to a higher price target. So basically we want to catch that move. Once it hits, it's going to pop up on the scanner, right? So boom, let's go. Let's see if this met our criteria. Let's go to our charts. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Give me 1 second. Let's make this a bit smaller. Boom. Let's go to the daily. Now let's go to AAL, right? So this is saying it took out yesterday's high. So boom, as you can see, it took out yesterday's high. It's now trading around 1432. Is that not a big move? Once this triggers, it goes above this, it will show up on our scanners. That's when we want to find out where its next price target is, right? So 1431. Let's go to ADM. So as you can see, I've been looking at this stock for a while. Boom. Look at this big move, $82 all the way up to $84, right? So a $2 move. Once this triggers above this, it will show up on the scanner. So you guys want to have a scanner that's looking for things taking out yesterday's high. So this is where the scanner comes into play. Now let's say, oh, I want to do it vice versa. So boom, we can also do it. We're going to come over here. We're going to clear this. We're going to do low from 1 bar ago. Same criteria, just saying low from low, right? So boom, let's scan. As you can see, we have a lot of things taken out yesterday's low, right? So let's go to one of them. Let's go to cost. Let's go to cost, right? So let's go to cost. We look at cost. Boom. Oh, did I mess up on here? Hold on. This scan. Hold on. I don't know why I was not working that way. So we're just gonna do this. So boom, there it is, right? So we come over here, we type low from 1 bar ago. So boom, we have our criteria, right? So this is what we're looking for on the daily. So let's come here. Boom, let's go to something Baba, right? So let's go see if Baba took out yesterday's low. And yes, it did, right? So it took out yesterday's low. This is what we look for. Just matching our criteria. Let's go to affirm. Let's go to affirm. It's matching our criteria. this is what we want to find. So you want to put this, boom, boom, boom. So if it wants to ride, it took out yesterday's low. So as you can see, it match our criteria. So this is what I'm saying the scanner is good for. So if you guys do want this custom script right here, the custom 3 and custom 6 script, basically it shows green or red, right? And it's showing if it's 2 days red, it will show up as red. If it's not, it will show up as nothing. If it's green, it will show up as green, right? So if you guys want that script, just join the Discord. If you guys need help on making your own scanner for your own criteria, join the Discord. I maybe can help you, or I know somebody that can. So this is join the Discord. I call plays on there, etc., etc. You can learn from me. I have knowledge in there. So if you guys are new here, again, I am Franz Trade Stocks. Make sure to hit that follow button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notifications for next banger. Thank you, and I'm out.